Hey guys, I just want to know, would you eat this poo? I mean, food?
Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Vale.
Hey, so this video of this dog is terrifying. So this poor dog is on a railroad track and gets run over by the train that's coming. But you know what's crazy? Is that he lives. Yeah, what a badass. Yeah, the first time I saw the video, I was like, what? Dang, do dogs have 9 lives too? But bum. Not funny. I got so nervous and then I saw the dog like survive and I was like, how? How did you like this video? Did you like it or not? Anyways, you might have seen this video. So this lady is getting kicked off a plane and seems to have a very strong case of main character syndrome after she says this.
I did nothing wrong.
I said shut up.
No, you shut the f up. You shut the f up and your bitch.
Goodbye.
You shut the film me. I'm Instagram famous, you f***ing bum. Shut the f up.
She told the guy recording, I'm an influencer and you're a dog.
Film me. I'm Instagram famous, you f***ing bum.
Like anyone really cares. So this is Morgan Britt. Apparently she's a model on Instagram with almost 1 million followers. So I guess famous in a way. I had never heard of her until she acted like a complete child on an economy class plane. Otherwise, let's face it, I would have never knew she existed. Maybe before you call someone a bum, just don't act like one. But I want to know, what did you think about the situation? Have you ever been to the beach and thrown a piece of food to what you thought was just one seagull, and then the next second the whole colony is surrounding you? Well, they seem to be evolving. Fun fact about seagulls is that they're very intelligent and considered to be one of the most intelligent birds in the world. Seagulls are cool. What did you think about this video? Let me know. So this poor dog is on a railroad track and gets ran over by a plane. I mean, a train. So I guess famous in a way? I had never heard of her until she acted like a complete child on an economy class plane. Why did I start talking like that?